Hello, Joy. Good evening, Joy. Good evening. Hi. What are you eating, Joy?
Fish,
What are you eating? Vegetables?
fish.
Oh, fish. Okay, so you are having your dinner now. I see. Okay. Now, wait, let me share my screen. Joy, enjoy eating your dinner. Yes, we will have the continuation talking about countries. Okay, so again, Joy, we have Mexico, Japan, Russia, and Turkey. Okay, wait. We will have this one now, Joy. Wait, let me get my pen first.
But it's finished.
Oh, oh, yes, you read this one, Joy. But we're not done answering this one yet, right? Okay, can you try to answer it then?
No,
Mexico's
no,
flag.
no, 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 no.
Why?
Mexico flag is green and blue.
Is it yes or no?
No,
Next. Mm-hmm, okay. Now, Japan's flag has a red circle.
I don't, I don't know.
See, that is why we have to read this one again. Okay, let me read it for you, Joy. Okay, so
Yes,
we're.
yes, yes, yes.
Wait, you are looking at it, Joy.
Yes,
You are looking at it.
no, yes.
Okay, no, yes. Russia's flag is blue and yellow.
No, no.
And Turkey's flag is red and white.
Yes, yes.
Okay, yes. So you're able to answer it correctly now, Joy. So we can now move on to the listening activity. Listen and match it, Joy. Okay, let us start.
Page 39. E. Listen and match. Right. 1,
This is our flag. It's red and white. We are from Turkey.
2,
We are from Japan. Our flag has a red circle.
3,
This is our flag. It is red, white, and blue. We are from Russia.
4,
Our flag is green, white, and red. We are from Mexico.
Okay, yes, very good, Joy. Now, can you tell me again, what flag is it, Joy? It's
I
the
don't.
flag of.
Oh, stop.
Okay, Russia. What about this one? It's the flag of
Japan.
Mexico, Joy.
Mexico.
Mexico, yes, it is. What about this
Turkey.
one? Okay,
Turkey.
Turkey. And the last
Japan.
one. Okay, it's Japan. Very
Japan.
good. Yes, that's right, Joy. Now we'll move on to the workbook. In here, you have to find the words, Joy. Mhm. Let me see. The first, any word you can find, Joy. No need for it to be in order. Mm-hmm. Yes, very good. We have Mexico. So this one is correct.
USA.
Russia. Russia. Okay, well done, Joy. Next one now.
Brazil.
Brazil. Brazil.
Brazil.
Yeah, Brazil. Or you can find the other words first. Okay, yes, that's right. We have Brazil. Next one.
Từ từ thôi chứ. Chưa.
You can do it, Joy. What do you think is the answer for the next one? Where is Turkey?
I don't know.
Okay, you can have Egypt first, Joy. Egypt.
Có ngồi bật người lên,
Yes.
bật người lên. Em cứ thụt thẳng chân này ra, cái chân này duỗi thẳng, hai chân tôi vừa ăn no xong.
If you can find Turkey, you can proceed to Egypt, Japan, Canada, and South Korea first. Okay, yes, there you have it. Next one,
Japan.
Japan. Okay, it's not Japan, it's Japan. Japan. Let me see. Oh, well done, Joy. Last three now,
Canada.
Joy.
Canada.
Canada. Very good. Last two, Joy. Last two. South Korea and Turkey this time. Okay. And Turkey, Joy. Last one, Joy. Oh, yes. Very good. There you have it, Joy. Great job. Okay, now let us have the next one, Joy. In here, you have to encircle it, okay? Like, is it where or there? From Mexico.
They're from Mexico.
Is it they are from Mexico? It's we are from Mexico, Joy.
From Mexico. This flag is ours.
Very good. What about for two?
They're from Japan. That flag is theirs.
Great job. Next one, Joy.
We're from Turkey. This flag is ours.
Great job. And last one.
They're from USA. That flag is theirs.
Okay, well done, Joy. See, it's easy, very easy, Joy. Now let us have this one, Joy. In here you have to match and complete the answer.
I don't know it.
So, just like in here, Joy, this flag is ours. So, what do you think are the missing words here, Joy? It's
We
we're, we're from Russia. This flag is ours.
are
Where
from
it
Mexico. This flag is ours.
is it? Okay, wait,
It
can you tell me?
theirs. It theirs. It theirs.
Can you tell me where is the flag of Russia? Where is the flag of Russia?
Whoosh. I
Is
don't know
it
it.
is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? Where
Four.
is 4? This is
Oh,
Turkey.
Turkey.
What about this one?
3.
Japan. It's Japan. Where is
2.
Russia? Russia. Where is Russia, Joy?
1.
It's 1. Okay, so we will connect it like this, Joy. We're from Russia. This flag is ours. Now, what about for the next one, Joy? What letter is? Is this Mexico? Not Mexico, right? It's not Mexico.
It's Turkey.
No, not Turkey either, Joy. It's the flag of Japan. Japan. Yes, here is Japan, Joy. So what do you think are the missing words, Joy? It's okay. Now, can you fill in the missing words to complete our answers, Joy?
From
Japan.
Mexico. It is ours.
Okay, there. It's not we're, Joy. It's there. They're from
Mexico.
that
We're from
flag.
Turkey.
Okay, that flag is theirs.
We're ours. This flag is ours. They are from Turkey.
Oh, wait.
They are from Turkey. It is
that flag. That flag
is ours.
Theirs, Joy. Okay, wait. For the first one, Joy, in here, it's not there. It's we're because I'm looking at this picture, Joy. Okay, so it's just the two of them talking about their country, right? So it should be we're from Mexico. Okay. Yes. This flag. Okay, this flag is ours. And for this one, Joy, as you can see, someone is talking about their country. So it would be they're from Turkey. That flag, okay, that flag is theirs. Okay, there you have it, Joy. Now, wait. If you are the one talking about your own country, then you would say, we're from Vietnam. This flag is ours. But if you are talking about other people's countries' flag, then you would say, they are from the Philippines. That flag is theirs. Wait.
Nếu bạn đang nói về đất nước của mình, bạn sẽ nói, chúng tôi đến từ Việt Nam, đây là lá cờ của chúng tôi. Nhưng nếu bạn đang nói về quốc kỳ của người khác, bạn sẽ nói, họ đến từ Philippines. Đó là lá cờ của họ.
Okay, that is it, Joy. That is why we'll use different ones in here. Just like here, we're, because we are only referring to them, talking about their own country. But in here, someone is talking about their country, Joy. So we would say they are from, and that is theirs. Okay. Now, let us proceed to this one, Joy. Now, this country's flag is green, red, and white. What country is it, Joy? What flag is it?
Mexico.
Okay, it is Mexico. Now, this country's flag has a red circle.
Ja- Ja- Japan.
Yeah, Japan. Okay,
Japan.
this country's flag is blue, white, and red.
Sure.
What do you think? This country's flag is blue, white, and red. It starts with R. It's
Russia.
Thấy rồi.
Russia. Okay, Russia, Joy. Now, this country's flag is red
Turkey.
and
Turkey.
yes, it is Turkey. That is right, Joy. Thank you. Now, let us have the grammar animations of Unit 4, Lesson 4, Joy. For a moment, let me prepare it real quick, Joy. Let me stop sharing and let me share my screen again. Okay, can you try to unscramble this one, Joy?
This is our flag.
Okay, this is our flag. What about this one?
This is their flag.
Very good, Joy. Next one.
This is
This is our
our flag. It's ours.
okay, it's ours. Very good. Next one, Joy.
This their flag.
This is flag. This is
Theirs.
their, not theirs, Joy. This is their.
Their flag. It's theirs.
Okay, yes, it's theirs. Very good. Next one, Joy.
This is our flag.
It is our flag.
It's ours.
It's ours.
Very good. Next one.
This is their flag.
It is their flag.
It's theirs.
It's theirs.
Great job. Correct, Joy. Now I want you to read and choose tick or cross.
No, no,
If
no,
it's a-
no.
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, Joy.
Yes,
Okay, in
yes.
here, you have to fix the sentence if it is incorrect. This is their cup. Is it a tick or a cross?
A tick.
Okay. Now, next one. This is ours plate.
No.
How should we
Well,
write?
it is our.
Okay, this is our plate. Very good. Next one, Joy. This is their
It is-
spoon.
No.
So we should.
It is their food. It's theirs.
Okay, yes, very good. Next one, Joy.
Yes.
Okay, this is our bowl. It's ours. That's right.
Yeah.
Yay!
It not finished, but it not finished.
Yes, but we're not done yet. We will now have the other activities. Joy. Let me share my screen again and we will have a view. Okay, can you tell me, Joy, what's this?
There is a spoon.
Very good. What about this one?
This is vet.
Okay, yes, it is indeed a vet. What about this one, Joy?
Mexico.
Yes, Mexico. What's the matter with her?
Her has a headache.
Okay, very good. She has a headache. Who's this?
There is uncle.
Very good. And what's her job, Joy?
Vet.
Yes, a vet. Very good, Joy. Yes, a vet indeed. Now, let us have this one. Okay, read, circle, and
The
number.
librarian works at the library. It's the it's easy, but easy.
Yeah, it is easy, Joy. Very good. Correct. Okay, next one.
He has a stomach ache.
What is the answer? Is it his or their?
He the he their the grandparents.
Very good. 3, Joy. What is the answer? Have or has?
He has he I don't know.
Okay. What do you think? Is it
He
have or has?
has
Yes, he has a stomach ache. He, she, it, Joy, we will use has. Okay, has. Now, this is their or our flag.
there
Look at the picture.
is our flag.
Okay, yes, this is our flag, Joy. Okay, easy. Next one, look at the picture
What
and
does the
answer.
bus driver? He drives.
He drives what? He drives.
He drives buses.
Very good. Next one, Joy. Who are they?
They are grandparents. They are
Grandparents?
they
Okay, they are
parents.
his parents. Okay. Whose cup is that? It's hers. Now, who works at the restaurant?
Uh,
Who works at the restaurant?
I
The
don't know.
Oh, you can't remember him? He is a
He is
server.
server.
Okay, the server.
Works at the restaurant.
Very good, Joy. It's correct. Now let us have this one. Listen and write. Tell me the missing response,
Page
Joy.
41. D. Listen and write. Then act. 1,
Excuse me, how much is this sweater?
It's $30.
$30.
Okay, yes, it's 30. Okay. Yeah, $30. Okay. Next one.
2,
How do you use chopsticks? Like
How
this.
do you use chopsticks.
Yes,
Like
very
this.
good. Like this. Great job, Joy. Correct. Now let us have this one. What's her job, Joy? Can you check? Can you check? Is she a salesperson, cashier, or postal worker? What do you think?
Yes.
She is?
Post worker.
She is?
She is a salesman.
Okay, yeah. She is a salesperson. Now, next one, Joy. Next
She
one,
has
Joy.
a headache.
Very good. Headache. Next one, it's what about this? Who's this?
Cousin.
Cousin. Next one,
It's Mexico.
is it Mexico?
Japan.
Japan. And the last one,
Drive passes.
very good, Joy. Okay, and we're done, Joy.
Yay!
So much. Joy, goodbye. Joy, goodbye.